Here we have a Cadillac Sts. It's a 4, let's say Sts4 right there, Cadillac. And the issue with this is the transmission, which is on the ground. It's burnt up. So we had to take the transmission out, but first of all, let's look at something up here. Not sure if or what happened here. Somebody have gotten stuck on something, because you can see how this condenser and the radiator has been pulled out. You see that? So I don't know what happened there, but the customer said that he had this. He drove this like this for 2 years, so it couldn't have been a problem that caused the transmission to burn up. Okay, but what I want to concern myself with here is the manual shift linkage. And what happens over time, these linkages wear the bushings out. Right there, and that's one that's worn out there. And this, where can you see? Okay, there it is. Upstairs, and also the bottom one. You can see you got this one goes down to the bottom right here. Supposed to be a bushing inside here, and you can't just take these out because they're riveted inside. Okay, on this one here it's riveted also. Okay, now there's a kit to fix this, and I'm going to show you the kit. Dorman makes it. Okay, the Dorman kit is 924-600 Dorman, and they have these bushings here that you're going to put in, and you got a snap ring that snaps in there. Set of 2, because they know that 2 go bad. Right here. So what I'm going to do is show you how to put these on. And you need to do this, or you're going to have slack inside of your, when you're trying to put the transmission into gear, slack inside the gear shift lever. Alright, either way, I got you.
Salted good. That's why I just roll them out. That's what I learned in auto body work. Just roll them out. I don't want to bend it, man.
other way. This face the outside. So that goes on the opposite side.
That looks like where the nut went though.
Right, that
Because
goes
that's
to the
bigger.
trans, that does.
That goes on to the, oh, okay, like this.
Yeah.
Well, you see it like this. Yeah. Well, that won't work. Well, that won't work. So they need this one out of here. And this one goes in here like,
It goes through here.
yeah, okay. And this one,
This goes like this. Then put that thing on. Put that one in through here. And put the plastic washer on there.
okay. Yeah. Washer.
Okay. Now, let me see here. I don't know bad. Okay, now you got this one. That's good. Now you gotta do the other one. See, when you grind this flat part off, that's mushroom here, then you'll be able to get out. But you gotta grind all that flat off. If you drill right
Do
through
that with the steel
through
now.
here, it don't grind that flat part off. So all you do is just grinding this all off where it did now, you can go on and get it out. Oh man, I'm so terrible. Just slowly wiggle that so you don't bend it. Hold it. You're gonna do some more grinding.
There it goes. And I'll
Wait a minute.
wire wheel it,
That's the direction.
get the rust all off. Let me wire wheel it.
Put it in this way.
No. Well, in that way.
I have to use the pliers to push it in. Alright, now come from the other side.
Like this?
Yeah, that way.
With the rubber on. No rubber's on this thing. Okay. Okay.
And now,
Now it'll work.
plastic right here in my hand.
Oh. Now it looks like it might work.
You turned it the wrong way, Billy.
Yep, upside down.
Yeah, you can see it a little more now.
Okay. That ain't gonna go on there. That is not gonna go on there. No. That won't lock on there.
Okay, and you put the clip on.
Can't get it on. Oh, yeah, like that. Okay. Still ain't going on. No. I'm not catching the thing right. No.
All right.
Nope.
Let me do this. Okay. End result. This came with a bunch of washers, but this didn't need any washers. You just needed the ring that goes on here, and this is tight right here. This is tight. So you put the snap ring or the E-clip on here, squeeze this, and we got it's right there. Okay. So everything is good. This one here, though, took the washer behind it to make sure it was tight, not so loose. All right. All right, so we got that on.